Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to install Nginx on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So let's start. In this session we will learn firstly what is meant by Nginx and adjust the firewall of the Nginx and verify Nginx installation on Ubuntu. After that, managing process using systemctl, and after that configure Nginx Server-Blocks, and last point is Nginx configuration file and directory. Okay, so let's go. See here, what is Nginx? Nginx is a free open source high performance HTTP server and reverse proxy, as well as an IMAP or POP3 proxy server. Nginx is known for its stability, rich feature set, simple configuration, and low resource consumption. Nginx is a web server that is used to serve web pages. It is popular choice for web servers because it is fast and reliable. Nginx can be used to host websites and applications. It can also use as reverse proxy server. Okay. Let's see benefits of the using Nginx. So Nginx is high performance web server with small footprint. It is efficient and can handle a large number of concurrent connections with ease. Nginx is also highly scalable and can be used to load balance across multiple servers. Using Nginx can result significant performance gain for your website or application. Nginx is able to handle more concurrent connections than other web servers, meaning that it can serve more users at the same time without slowing down. Nginx is also much more efficient than other web servers, using less memory and CPU sources. Additionally, Nginx is highly scalable and can be used to load balance across multiple servers. This means that if you have a large website or applications with heavy traffic, Nginx can distribute load across multiple servers to ensure that your site remains responsive. So now after that, we will see why might someone choose to Nginx over another web server software. So let's see. Main reasons are Nginx known for its performance and efficiency. It can handle a large number of concurrent connection and has memory footprint, small memory footprint, okay, which makes it good choice for high traffic websites. Second, Nginx is also highly scalable. It can ease configured to handle large amount of traffic and it can easily scale up or down as needed. Next one, Nginx is also very versatile. It can use to reverse proxy, load balancer, and HTTP cache, which makes it good choice for wide range of applications. And last one is Nginx is also easy to configure and maintain. Its configuration files are simple and straightforward, which makes it easy to manage even for users who are not experienced with web server softwares. So overall, Nginx is very popular choice for web server software because of its performance and efficiency, scalability, versatile, and ease of use. Okay. So see here prerequisites are you have create VM on Google Cloud platform, have a user account with sudo privilege, and you have a domain name pointing to your public server IP. So let's start the installation of Nginx on our GCP Google Cloud platform. So here I have already create a VM, name is Nginx, and we will connect here through the HSS. So using the HSS, we will connect here. and this connection will established here. So let's wait for the seconds. Let's wait for seconds. It is establishing connection to SSH server, and it's make a connection. Okay, so now first step is what we have to update the all the packages using the sudo apt update, enter, and update the all the packages here. Okay, okay, now it's completed. So after that we have to all the packages we have to upgrade here. Okay, so using the sudo apt -y upgrade, enter, and here all the packages upgrade here. Okay, so it's take some few minutes here for the progress, and all the packages are upgraded here. Yeah, the installing new version of the config file, processing trigger, setting up Linux header, like that. All the upgradation here. Its progress is 98%. Only 2% is remaining. Let's wait for few seconds. After that, this upgradation, we will install the Nginx. Okay, so using the sudo apt install Nginx, enter, and here give us message. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue it. Okay, now it's completely installed. So now we will check here. We update the package. After that, we update the package. After that, using the Nginx, we will install here. And after, we will see the status of the Nginx. Okay, using the systemctl status Nginx. So let's see. Paste it. Enter. And its status is active, means running. Okay, how many seconds ago? 34 seconds. Okay, so now see, adjust the firewall on Ubuntu. Adjust the firewall on Ubuntu. So here, if you are installing Nginx on your local system, then you allow traffic on port 80 in UFW. If you are installing on Google instance, then you allow port in cloud security group. So if you allow on local, then you will use this. Okay, if you are allowed on cloud instance, then you will use this. Okay, then after that you get the status of the UFD like that. Okay, Next, third step is what? Verify the Nginx installation. Means this installation is installed or not. Nginx is installed or not properly. Then we will see on the external IP. Okay, so external IP this, and copy this external IP and open in your favorite browser and paste the external IP. Enter and see. Welcome to Nginx. Means our installation is successful. Okay. So after that, we see managing the Nginx processes. Means how to, when we will stop the Nginx process, then what happened, and we will start the Nginx, what happened. Let's see. Then see, firstly, we have to stop the Nginx process or Nginx server. Then using the sudo systemctl stop Nginx. Let's copy this command and paste. Enter. And we will see the status of the Nginx now. This status is inactive, means dead. Why? Because we were stopped here. Okay, we were stopped here. Then after that, again we have to Nginx start. Start. Okay. Sorry. Now we will see status Nginx. Now its status is active. And how many seconds ago? 4 seconds ago. Okay. So now we have to restart the Nginx server. So see, restart. Sorry. Enter and check the status. Restart. It's active, and how many seconds ago? 3 seconds ago. Okay. So see here, to start the Nginx web server, when stop it, then use the systemctl start it. When we have to use restart, then use sudo systemctl restart Nginx. Okay. When you have to, if you are only making configuration changes, Nginx can reload without dropping the connection. Means sudo systemctl reload the Nginx. By default, Nginx is configured to start automatically when server boots. If this is not what you want, you can disable this behavior. Means disable the Nginx. And re-enable to the service start the boot up, means use the enable Nginx. Okay. So in this way, we will learn managing the processes of the Nginx. Okay. We will learn. Okay. Now, fifth step is what? Configure the Nginx server blocks on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. So here I have already create a VM regarding the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Then we have to, first step is what? Create directory structure. Okay, so create directory structure using the sudo mkdir. Okay, and in that what way? What directory? Where www test deopsend using the test.deopsend.info. It's our domain name. Okay, so using this name we can create the directory. Means what? We have to use the configure the server blocks using this name, and we will see output in our favorite browser using this name. Okay, so these steps we will see step by step. Okay, so firstly create the directory structure, copy and paste here. After that, assign the directory structure ownership to currently login user. To ensure login user, this ensure login user as regular rather than sudo user. Okay. It will make easier for us to edit the create the content directory. Okay. So we create the content directory. So copy this and paste. Now we have to make the grantee user to read, write, or execute permissions. Okay, so grantee login user read, write, or execution permission using the sudo chmod this. Okay, so copy. Now we will access the read, write mode, execute mode. So after that we have to create the index.html file inside the root directory for each our website that will display when you visit the domain in your browser. So using this sudo vim index.html file we will create here. So go paste and then here vim editor is opening, and after that in the vim editor we will copy the all the HTML content from here, official website, not the official website, our article website, and go to paste here. After that we have to save and exit from the here. For that press the escape :X and enter. After that the location for the server in this is in the this directory, means etc Nginx site available. We will therefore we need to server-blocks. We will serve content on the index.html files we are created earlier here. Okay, so copy this and paste. After that all these content copy from here and paste. Escape. We have to save and exit here. After that enable the Nginx server block. Okay, we have to enable it. Where is etc Nginx site enable? Okay, so using this command we will enable the server block. Enable this. After that we have to confirm the all the configuration are in order. So using the sudo dot space sudo space nginx -t. Okay, sudo x nginx -t. So see here this configuration file, it is nginx.config syntax is okay. Okay, then configuration file etc nginx.config test is successful. Okay, then we will see the status of the Nginx. Or firstly we have to restart the Nginx for the storing the or reload the all the config operation. Okay, so restart it. After that restart we have to check the Nginx status. Status. Enter. And here status is active, and how many seconds ago? 15 seconds ago. Okay, so because we have to restart Nginx. Okay, after that we will add the a domain record with your domain provider with your VM IP to access the server blocks using domain name. So I have domain provider here, and I will add the record here. Okay, so add record, type A and name test, and here value we have to put here is external IP of this VM. Okay, copy here, copy from here and paste in our domain provider. And use detail custom and save this record. Okay. So what is problem? Just so firstly we have to delete this record because previous record add same in the same public address. Okay, that's why. So now I will save this record. After this save, okay, now it's saved. After that, using this domain provider, we will open my favorite browser. You can open your favorite browser, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, like that. And using this, file, okay, test.devops.info, we can access the server blocks. So test.devops.info, we can access the server block. And here, welcome to Nginx Server-Blocks. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Nginx Server-Blocks. Means this message we will provide in our this message we will return in our here, okay, HTML content. So in this way we will learn how to configure Nginx Server-Blocks. Okay. So next step, Nginx configuration files and directory. So these below important commands, we will using this, we can configure the files and directory. So we use the var www.html and using this default Nginx web content. Okay. So when we install Nginx, by default, this directory gets created var www.html. Okay. And when you access it on browser, then content loads from this directory. Okay. Nginx server configurations files. These are the configurations file. etc Nginx. This is Nginx configuration directory. All the Nginx configuration files reside here. Okay. etc Nginx. After that, etc Nginx nginx.config means this is Nginx global configuration file. When you modify it, it apply to all content which use Nginx. Okay. After that, Nginx etc Nginx sites available. To enable the website, to must create symbolic link inside the etc Nginx site enable directory pointing to actual host file in etc Nginx site available. So the Nginx config files review the content of sites, enables directory and determines which virtual host files to include. Next configuration file is etc Nginx site enable. This folder we will include system links to recite the configuration files located within the etc Nginx site enable. And after that, this next configuration file is etc Nginx snippet. Snippet allow you insert raw Nginx config into different context of the Nginx configuration that ingress controller generates. Okay, so in this way we will learn how to install Nginx on Ubuntu and adjust the firewall, verify the Nginx installation, and managing the Nginx process, and configuration Nginx Server-Blocks, and configuration files and directories. So thank you for the watching video.